designed this course as one of the iconic course of our curriculum.
My name is Faimong Haq. I'm a master's first year student and I am the TA of Mechatronics 3 Advanced Robotics course of KUAS. On a surface level, this class is about making a multi-terrain robot that can get over the course that we have set up for everyone. But I think in depth it's a bit more than what people think it is.
Alright, so this is Rocky, so we are team 4. And for today, we already passed through stage 1 already, so we passed through the rough terrain.
What we plan on doing for most of the terrain is if it gets stuck anywhere, we're going to change our mode to a manipulator mode so that we can individually control each leg and we can pivot it so that it doesn't get stuck.
For our expectations for our second stage, we hope to be able to get through the roller, go up the ramp, go over the ledge, as well as go up the stairs. So hopefully we can do that.
So as for our round 1 performance, the biggest thing that held us back at the end of the day is the fact that we ditched the idea for turning completely. So initially we had this sort of rope sort of thing that would go around like one side and go to the other and have like a servo in between. But we ended up ditching that because at the end of the day, one servo just has a limited range. I guess if I were to do this again, I would not be so scared of using a continuous servo motor because I thought continuous servo, I don't know how to use it, I don't know how to code it, and so let's just use a normal one, but a normal one doesn't turn enough. So if we had done that, I think the turning would have been perfectly fine. Everything else is just perfect.
We are Team 8 and this is our robot Echo. This took 15 weeks of work to accomplish, and this design was actually inspired by Martian rovers and modern day monster trucks.
Were there any obstacles that you guys were scared of?
During the test day, our robot was doing quite well actually. We were able to finish all the 10 different tasks. However, today we faced a little challenge. We were able to complete all the other tasks besides the traffic signal. For stage 2, we hope we can finish all the other tasks and in faster time.
So we're team 12. So this is our robot, Ellibot. The reason that it's called Ellie is because of the big trunk in the front. And other than that, our robot is pretty basic. We do have these claw wheels and like a raised chassis. We also have Abdullah right here. Abdullah, say hi.
Yo, hello everybody.
Yeah, he doesn't talk much, he just programmed. But yeah, he's done a wonderful job, and yeah, let's see. Praying for the best.
Middle. Yeah, just push it. Oh, a bit right, and crank it. Go forward. Okay, stop.
And my first question is, why wasn't the robot called MonishBot?
Because it's a team effort.
Humble, very humble, good job. Okay. And yeah, these are just what they did this year. When I took this class, there were 2 different types of, the Boston robotic dogs. The students here ended up actually making those dogs with the actual gate system. There was a biped robot, at least an attempt at a biped robot that at the end they couldn't make it real. But that is not the main part of this course. The main part is attempting to make a robot and learning throughout this course, So you might think like, if my robot cannot finish this course, that is the end of me for this course, I won't do good. But that's not, at least I believe that's not the point of this course. The point of this course is to learn and have fun making a robot. And I can say that most of the students had a lot of fun and did learn a lot of things.
And now at number 1, edging out number 2 by just 1 point, we have Echo with 137 points.
That's it. That's basically the end. For me personally, the experience was amazing. A lot to learn. Of course, we have had our challenges along the way, but there's nothing I would change about it. Especially since I'm graduating and this is my last course. It's been a ride. It's been an amazing ride, and I'm sad to see it ending. But you know, everything has to come to an end, and this is the best end that it could have come to. Thank you.
Perfect. One more. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Thank you so much.